Where are you? Ayan guys, thank you. You back? Ay, naligo na si Jo? Ayan. I think you just thought about it, but in reality, there's no change. We never notice it. It's just you felt like it. I know. That's what you do. Not only you, all the people who went to the dentist. Imagine being Gilana. Gilana is more painful. Yeah, imagine that. Uh-oh. You want Grandma make duyan for your baby doll? Grandma can make duyan. That's duyan?
No, that's cover. Here, I'll make you duyan.
Yung maliit na lampin, ah. Yeah, you want duyan? Doon no, may kahoy doon no. No, there's the duyan, the yellow one.
Chair.
That one duyan. Ni. Ate don't make duyan. Oh, wow. You want a bigger one? Okay, Grandma can make you a duyan. That one? Okay. There's the small blankie. You make you one? A small blankie, Gilana. Ito, there's a rope. Ito na yung white rope niya. Hindi, di ba may duyan na blankie yung kulay pink? Hindi yan, ah. Not that one. It's hard. No. There's better one, Gilana. Ouch. Grabe guys. Dito na apoy ni. Grabe ang apoy. Oh shoot, grabe ang apoy. Yung may duyan na maliit na ganyan. Yung maliit na